Hello, welcome to Indpro's technical content series for understanding bulk solids handling products, part 14. I'm Ronak, and today we'll be talking about air slides and the importance of these in bulk solids handling. Air slides are essentially a fluidized bed conveyor that use low pressure air to basically move fluidized powders through it. This device does not have any moving parts and it only uses low pressure air to move the powders through it. Air slides have a tubular or rectangular inclined enclosure which has a polyester filter media on the bottom of it which passes the air through it. The typical angles for an air slide range from 4 degrees to 10 degrees and it uses the assist of gravity to move the powders through it. These are commonly used in applications where the powder is easily fluidized. Example, cement and fly ash are the most common applications for an air slide. They get integrated to the bottom of any storage device such as silos or hoppers very easily. Air slides can handle capacities of transfer ranging from as low as 5 to 10 tons per hour to even much over 100 tons per hour. Now let's have a look at how the air slide operates. This end gets connected with the conical section of a silo or a hopper. Here we have the polyester membrane through which the low pressure air is used for moving the powders through the air slide. Here we have the different connections that connect the low pressure air to the fluidized membrane. Here we have a nozzle to take care of the dust that is generated during the transfer process. Each of the air distribution nozzles have an adjustable damper to control the flow rate of air to ensure effective transfer of powder through the air slide.
Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.